Hi, my name's Scott. I wanted to talk today about Russell Products. If you've clicked on this, you'll realize that this is one of the best companies that we use. Perfect for the big and tall guy. Shorts, warm-up suits, and tees. Those would be the biggest categories that I carry in Russell, and everybody seems to love the product. One of the key products that Russell carries is Dry Power. This is a 100% polyester garment, easy to wash, comes right out of the dryer, you put it on. Wonderful product, and we carry it in shorts, t-shirts, muscle shirts, golf shirts, knit shirts. Wonderful, wonderful category, and it continues to expand. The other thing we got in Russell that is easy to wear are the t-shirts. We carry them in 6 to 7 colors, up to 5X tall and 10X big. A nice basic product. The other category we've opened up with that is the printed t-shirts. You'll have to take a look. We are using the Russell t-shirt for this with lots of different decals, funny ones, love ones, wildlife ones. Do check them out. Great category. Keep in mind, Russell's been great because it's such a basic product. It's everybody's need. I even carry Dry Power underwear from them. Swimsuits are a couple other categories that we carry. Do check out the Russell product. We've been very happy with it, and our customers love it. Let us know if there's anything else you may know from Russell that we're not carrying. We'll be glad to look in it for you and see if we can get it. Most of the deliveries are within a week. We look forward to hearing from you.